before you, Luisito Parwan Jr. and Maria Arian de Lompinis are joined in marriage. In my presence, in the presence of all this, your family and close friends, I am bound, as you know, to remind you publicly of the solemn, the serious, and the binding nature of the relationship into which you are now about to enter. Marriage, as most of us understand, is a voluntary, in full commitment of a man to a woman, and a woman to a man. It is made in the deepest sense to the exclusion of all others, and is entered into with a desire, hope, and the firm intention that it will last. Luisito, will you take Maria Ariani Calompilis to be your lawful wedded wife? Can I please hold hands? Will you love and respect her, comfort her? Will you share with her your hopes and dreams? Will you constantly be sensitive to her needs, wanting her success and happiness through the years ahead? See, I do.
Ang comedy. Kaloka. Kung seryoso naman.
Maria Arian Lolumpinis,
Parang bahay-bahala.
will you take Luisito Paruan Jr. to be your lawful wedded husband? Will you love and respect him, comfort him? Will you share with him your hopes and dreams? Will you constantly be sensitive to his needs, wanting his success and happiness through the years ahead? See, I do.
I do.
Wala na kayong kawala.
We will now hear the vows between Luisito and Maria Arian.